3. Wait, they're moving. Get ready. Wait, there's no one coming up behind them. Get them covered. Spread out, get covered first. Move to cover. Spread out, get cover! No, I can see the counts, the Hamburger Hill. Right, they might be digging in. Keep spread, keep spread. Keep your eyes forward. Still. Got him! Keep him pinned, don't let him get medic! Right, there's a ditch! There's a ditch there! Here, do you two have a clear line in the ditch? Well, get ready to fucking move. Are you moving? There's one at Hamburger Hill. Shit. Fucking Hey? On the left, on the left! 'Andy, get ready to run to Hamburger Hill with me. Fucking move! Shit!
Go, 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 go!
Move!
Just keep going!
Oh shit! Keep going!
Hey, that way! I've got the hand up!
Sorry.
Go, go!
1. You back in.
Thanks, bud.
Never run so fast in my life. Okay. Watch out, there's one on the left! We ran from him! Don't forget, there's two to the left! Two to the left! And he's getting a cover! Two to the left!
Jack, in here! There's fire coming from over there!
Watch out, there's two over there! To the left, to the fence!
Guys, we've got to move out, we're going to try and check them out.
Fuck. Reloading.
Yeah, fucking rush them anyway, fuck it, YOLO.
Yeah, YOLO, let's not get killed.
YOLO, fuck this shit, I'm going out there.
Where's the bum? Right, come with me. Come on. Come on. Go. Go.
Let's move with the bomb.
Yeah. Field enough.
Hey?
Field enough.
Brilliant, good job going on the left. The two of them around there we saw. I can see the base from here. Right, there's some there,
Come. Take your name. Go down there, it's clear down there. We'll move.
Yeah, but if everyone's going that way.
Right, go on, we'll go straight. Take them down there, so slowly.
Right, come here, see that barricade there?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
That's where we're going. Right, so...
Hey. Give us some cover fire, we're going to try and get that trench over there, that barricade.
Shit, there's a dude there as well.
Right, yeah. Go.
Shit. Yeah, I'm getting shot. Watch out, there's guys to the left as well. No, there's guys from the base. He's got me pinned here. Fuck. The guy from the base has got me pinned. Is that our smoke? Who smokes that? Get ready to run for him. Get ready to cover me. Here, get ready to cover me, I'm getting him. Wait. Hey mate, it's the Claymore guy getting you. Are you getting him? Yes. Here,
What's the
do you want to go left flank, as far left as we can get, and get right round the back of them.
Try running to the right. Pop forward, reload.
Right, because there's too many men across here, we need guys to the left. Wait, can you see any on the left flank? How many? Two. Right, you've got a flank on the left, you see.
Right, listen up. Yeah, listen.
Pull back a couple of metres.
Are you coming there?
Yeah.
Hello. Right. Listen, what we need to do. See where the smoke's disappearing from?
Yeah.
Someone. Shit, that's where they are. Go on that side there.
There's one there!
What's in? Yeah, listen, someone needs to go right front and around that foot there.
Look, see where there's a slight hill there?
Yeah.
We're getting on the bottom of it. Get ready to cover me.
3, 2, 1, move back!
Yep! Shit! Oh shit! Magic! I'm hit, you tosser! Anthony! You're gonna be dead in a minute! Behind you, Danny, Danny. Fucking Danny! You guys in Hamburger Hill. He's Danny. He's just been shot. Medic! Yellow medic! I know, they're doing good, aren't they? Yeah, I'm going back to spawn. Yeah, I'm going to go back to spawn. And then we're going to go behind them because we know where they are. Dead man walking!
Dead man walking!
Yeah, he's a dumb man to get behind us there, like. See, now we know where they are. We're going to get them.